So this video I am making for an update. The new subscription price has been revealed, and as you all know, already know that the Unacademy Plus subscription price is going to hike, and that will be effective from 25th of December. Now, one day is left, so you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription today. And let me just tell you about the new pricing. Okay, so previously, like if you take before 25th, before tomorrow, like if you take today, then you will get it at 2100 for if you take 1 month subscription. If you take 3 month subscription, you get it at 5250, 6 month 9450, 12 month 11,550, 24 months 16,800. But if you take it after 25th of December, then you have to pay a huge amount of extra money for the same subscription. You can see the gap here, 800 rupees. So almost the price has been hiked. So it is better if you have decided to prepare with Unacademy. It's the right time to take the Unacademy subscription. Okay, and if you don't have any financial problem, then you can take it anytime. But this, if you take today or tomorrow, then it will save your money. You have to, otherwise you have to pay some extra for the same benefits. Okay, so I would recommend you to take the Unacademy Plus subscription by today. Okay, by applying our referral code Physics Hub or Shine Live, you get 10% off on each of this plan. Whether you take the 1 month plan, 3 month plan, 6 month plan, 12 month plan, 24 months plan, whatever you take, if you apply any of the referral code Shine Live or Physics Hub, you will get 10% off. After 25th also this code will be working here, but it is better if you take today or tomorrow, because after today or tomorrow the price is going to hike. Now let me just tell you what are the courses you will be given if you take an Unacademy Plus subscription. So first of all, you see these 3 courses are currently ongoing. Focus CSIR NET June 2021 Physical Sciences. It is conducted in English. Here the whole syllabus of your CSIR NET Physical Science paper will be covered by 3 educators, and it is conducted in English. And another course is going on, Practice Booster course for GATE 2021 Physical Science. So many of you are appearing for the upcoming GATE 2021 exam, which will be held on 6th of February, I guess. So for that also a course is running, and I am personally taking this course, crash course on physics with top 200 PIQs for GATE 2021. So if you take one subscription using our referral code Physics Hub or Shine Live, you will be able to avail all of these courses. And it's not like that if you are taking one subscription using my referral code, you'll only watch my videos, but you can also watch videos of other educators of all time. Okay, not like the previous 1 month or previous 2 months. You can watch the videos of all time till you have the subscription. And if you have not joined our Telegram group, you can join using this ID Physics Hub 1, or you can also send me a message on this number 9609090334 for any kind of query related to this. Or if you want to join our Physics Hub WhatsApp group or Telegram groups, you can just ping me here on WhatsApp. Now let me just tell you some of the benefits of taking Unacademy Plus subscription. So first of all, you get daily live class, you get part and full length test, you get assignments with the detailed solution, you get a proper structured course, the whole syllabus is covered, you get a dedicated outlining session after every 3 lectures, PDF of the study materials and class notes are given, classes are conducted in both languages, Hindi and English, offline video recordings are available in case if you miss or if you cannot attend the live classes, you can also watch the video offline. And you can watch it on any device, whether it may be mobile, tablet, laptop, iPhone, etc. And you get WhatsApp and Telegram group support for offline doubt clear. So how to join? You can go to Unacademy Learning app and you can just click on the subscribe button and you will get all the options for payment methods. Or you can visit Unacademy website, unacademy.com. From there also you can take the Unacademy subscription. Each time if you apply this referral code Physics Hub or Shine Live, you will get 10% off on overall fees. Okay, so take Unacademy Plus subscription today. Only 1 day is left, so it's better if you take today, or from tomorrow onwards the price will be hiked. And I have already shown you the new prices. You can see a huge gap is there in the old price and the new price. So take Unacademy Plus subscription now, and you can visit my profile by searching my name Sahin Sorifi, and you will see a lot of my courses. The detailed course on nuclear particle physics, practice course on physical science for GATE 2021, detailed course on EMT, classical mechanics, and many courses are there. Revision course on physical science, complete course on quantum mechanics, detailed course on atomic and molecular physics, detailed course on condensed matter physics. I almost covered the whole syllabus of physics, physical science, and a lot of other educators are also there. They also cover a lot of portion of the syllabus. Okay, so you can, and these are the special class. You can watch it for free. Okay, if you have not watched any of my videos, you can just watch this special videos. These are completely free. You just need to install the Unacademy Learning app, and you can watch them for free. Now, this is the current pricing. This price is going to change or going to hike from tomorrow, 25th of December. So it's the time. If you are preparing for NET exam, you can go for 6 month subscription, or if you are a MSc student, you can go for 12 months or 24 months, and apply referral code Physics Hour Sign Lab, and you will get 10% off. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you have any query related to the subscription or anything else, you can just let me know in the comment section. And finally, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.